Are you looking for the professional best commercial hand dryers? In this video we will show you the 5 best commercial hand dryers. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Let's dive in. Number 1. Yak ADA Compliant Hand Dryer. Surface Mount Hardwired Design, 110V Black. ADA compliant surface mount design includes a washable pre-filter. The mounting plate and hand dryer can be separated for effortless installation and wiring, making it the most straightforward hardwired model to date. Compact size yet mighty in performance. Upgrading the motor has enabled us to create a small, yet powerful hand dryer. Hands-free operation dries hands in 15 seconds. Features adjustable speed and sound controls and variable heat settings. We offer 2-year manufacturer warranty and support. To get in touch with us, please send a message through Amazon or email our support team. We guarantee a response within 24 hours during business days. Number 2. AIKE Air Wiper Compact Hand Dryer. 110V 1400W Silver. Installation: come with 60-inch, 1.5mm power cord, can simply plug into an outlet. Cord cannot be removed directly, it cannot be hardwired. Configuration: voltage 100V 130V. Input 1400W 1650W, 50/60 Hz, 100.8 cubic meters per hour air volume. 67 dB noise level. 110 to 130 mm sensing distance. Compact design, fast dry within 10-15s. Compact size, strong airflow. Designed for limited space area, but still meet commercial grade requirement. ABS polycarbonate construction provide long-lasting strength. This durable, corrosion-proof bathroom accessory will stand up to extensive use and everyday wear and tear. AIKE support: we have always been paying attention to the quality of our products. Feel free to contact us if you need any help. Number 3. Hand Dryer for Bathroom Commerical. UL listed an ADA-compliant thin automatic electric plug-in hand dryers, optional energy-saving high-speed, brushed stainless steel cover, wall-mounted. 1. Optional energy saver hand dryer, turn on or off heating based on weather temperature, manual mode, heater on 1000W, heater OFF 600W, 120V, lower energy consumption than old models and no using paper towels anymore, which will save more money, be more environmentally friendly. 2. ADA compliant commercial hand dryers, -4-inch depth, more exquisite than ordinary shape, compact size, strong airflow. More widely used. 3. UL listed commercial hand dryer for bathroom. This stainless steel electric automatic hand dryer standard by UL approved, overcurrent and overheat protection, 60s overtime protection. Fast dryers the hands in 10 to 12 seconds. 4. Brushed stainless steel hand dryers. For beautiful looking and protection against rust, wear and tear, and easy to clean, longer service life and more environmentally friendly than plastic cover hand dryers. 5. Plug-in hand dryers, 3-pin plug-in directly, 1.8mm power cord, or hardwired, access to power through modifying wiring, easily mounted on the wall and will serve long-term. Perfect for home and commercial use, bathroom, restaurants, hotels, school, airport, and shopping malls. Number 4. 1400W Commercial Hand Dryers. Automatic high-speed hand dryer machine with auto-infrared sensor and smart temp control, compact hand dryer for home, bathrooms, restaurants, hotels, black. Advabce plastic cover. Auto-infrared sensor and smart temp control equipped with a highly responsive infrared sensor. Our commercial hand dryers activates instantly within 2.4 to 4.7 of your hand, ensuring continuous airflow and preventing cross-contamination. Plus, its smart temperature control automatically adjusts to warm blast below 77 degrees Fahrenheit and cool breeze above, delivering perfect comfort throughout the seasons. Lightning fast drying performance. Our 1400W motor, spinning at an impressive 25,000 RPM and generating 105 meters per second of airflow, delivers ultra-rapid drying in just 7 to 12 seconds, transforming your hand drying experience. Operates quietly at 70 dB, preserving conversations. Enhanced with high/low voltage and overheat/overcurrent protection for ultimate safety. Durable construction. Our automatic hand dryer is meticulously crafted from heavy-duty abrasion-resistant ABS, ensuring longevity and durability. Boasting a sleek, fingerprint-resistant design, this wall-mounted dryer is both corrosion-proof and resilient to daily wear and tear, suitable for both home and commercial settings. Eco-friendly and cost-saving. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. Switch to our energy-efficient compact hand dryer to eliminate paper towel costs, reduce waste, and save on 95% operating expenses. It supports a greener future while maximizing your savings. Dual power connection. WOS. This wall-mounted hand dryer offers both direct plug-in and hardwiring for easy installation on ceramic/concrete walls, ideal for long-term use in homes, bathrooms, restaurants, hotels, casinos, and shopping malls. 5. XL Dryer. XL GRECO 1.1N Hand Dryers. Larator. XL GRECO Automatic, surface-mounted, cast cover, textured graphite epoxy paint, 110-120V with noise reduction nozzle. 500 watts, no heat technology. Model number, XL GRECO 1.1N. Item package dimension, 14.0 inch LX 14.0 WX 8.0 H. Item package weight, 17.0 pounds. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.